Greetings, students. Many students have difficulty making the correct sound of the letters C, P, and T. All right, and if you do not make the correct sound, it's going to be difficult to understand you. The T makes the t, t sound. Watch my lips. T, t. The P makes the p, p. And C makes the k, k. T is not da. P is not ba. And C is not ga. Watch my mouth again. Ba, pa, da, ta, ga, ka. So there's air coming out. Ba, ga, da, comes from down here. No air coming out. Pa, ta, ka. Okay, watch my mouth. Try to say these sentences after me. We have 10 fingers. We do not say we have 10 fingers. We have 10 fingers. Time to go home. Time to go home. Could you tell time? Could you tell time? The tent is small. The tent is small. My mom drinks tea. My mom drinks tea. He wore a top hat. He wore a top hat. P. Paint the pot purple. Pete likes pickles. Pat is picking peppers. Put the plate down. Put the plate down. Put that pen away. Put that pen away. See? The cow is cute. The cow is cute. The cow, air coming out, the cow is cute. The car is red. The cake is cool. Not the cake. The cake is cool. The cub is brown. Cub, baby bear. The cub is brown. The cat is orange. Call me later. Not call. Call me later. It makes a very big difference if you make the aspirated, the air coming out. You can understand, be understood much more clearly.